Alright, so I've been working for hours fixing the lift hill. So far so good. Check this out. There's the new chain. I had to put the little guide rails because the bike chain is too thin, but it still catches on. So unfortunately that bike chain lift hill did not work at all. It almost did, but in the final step, the chain was just too heavy and the Connect's little clamps kept snapping every time I tried to run the drill. I got so frustrated I didn't bother to film it. But right when I was depressed and wondering what I was going to do to make the lift hill work, I came across this video and this comment. So, as a last-ditch effort, I decided to try out a micro Connects chain for the first time ever. So I'm once again exhausted, but this time I'm actually much happier. The chain actually works. Who would have thought that the tiny little micro Connects chain would be way more powerful than the full-size Connects chain? I got it hooked up to my adjustable speed drill, and if you see, this thing can move forward and back to make it go faster, forward to make it stop. And then here is the weighted gear, which helps keep the same tension across the whole chain. And right up there you can see one of the new signs I just added. Okay, so the swings are working, the roller coaster's on the chain, and I'm building a tunnel here. And I've cleaned up a little bit too. I'm pretty excited. Those last test runs you saw, it worked for 90 minutes without stopping, and the only reason it stopped was because it's the end of the day and I wanted to turn it off. And here are the final bits of theming. Go through the snake's mouth, into a tunnel like those classic old wooden coasters, and then the second Serpent sign for the station. I really like the look of it right here. Big mess of tracks nestled between the Ferris wheel and the chair swing. You gotta get off the track. Almost there you go. When it rains like you just saw, you buckle those, then this whole piece of track comes right off. And then you can put it inside so it stays out of the heat and humidity. Then in the morning, you come, you put it back on, it fits right there, and then in the back, it fits right there. And it's once again aligned.